How you doing, folks? Welcome back to the shop. Usually we try and get our hands dirty out here, but today I want to do a little griping. We'll talk about a little pet peeve I've got. That pet peeve is watching people trying to start an engine that hadn't been cranked for a long period of time, something that's hard to start. They always reach and grab this product. Maybe not this name brand, something else. Starting fluid, ether, highly volatile fluid. It's a solvent. It's really not meant for gasoline engines. When you use this stuff, it strips away the lubricant on the cylinder walls. It's dry then. Strips away the lubricant on your piston rings, running against those dry cylinder walls. Creates all kinds of issues with continual use. I don't suggest using it even one time on a gas engine. I have seen a gas engine that has had starting fluid applied to it to get it to crank, blow the doggone spark plug plumb out of the head. Blown cylinder gaskets. I've seen it bend crank rods. It's not meant for this application. Now, those boys with them big old diesel engines that are specified to use it, it'll already be mounted up with a place for the can to be installed, and it'll automatically give it a little shot when they tell it to. They can do that. But for your lawn and garden equipment, this is not the answer. But I have an answer for you. You need to cheat that thing off. Why would you put something this volatile in there that's going to run a chance of pre-igniting, creating those other issues? Too volatile, too much pressure inside that cylinder. Get rid of this. There ain't no need in having it. I ain't gonna say I ain't never used it. I have had to start a fire or two before. This came in handy. Throw that away. You don't need it. Get you a good old-fashioned oil can. Put your little 50-to-1 mix in it. You run into that situation, you feel you need to cheat an engine, get a little fuel started in it to go. You just give that thing a nice little squirt. Hit the switch. See if that don't help you out. 50-to-1. Fuel and oil. It's not going to leave the cylinder strip. Use it in 2-stroke. What it's burning anyway. If you're having trouble with your carburetor getting it fed, let's go ahead and bust it off with this. Help you diagnose your problem. But Lord knows, don't use this. Especially don't use this brand. This is a brand represented to us by Wile E. Coyote. That's a lie, folks. I was too cheap to buy a can of starting fluid for this video, so I made my own little label up. I ought to give a few extra points for creativity. Folks, I appreciate you taking a minute to hear me out. I don't think this is the product to be using in your lawn and garden equipment. This is a much better solution. If you think this right here helped you out, how about one of them there thumbs up? Lord knows, one of them subscribes ain't gonna hurt. Hey, till next time, we'll see you then.